if they're facing any problems or anything, it just I look out for them and I try to sort out everything as far as the thing goes. So that is that about my role. So somehow it was just the curiosity and somehow passion, and it just something I really enjoy doing. And also one more thing to add, it's the place where I actually can apply my legal knowledge as well. लोगों को clarity नहीं होती है, अब जरूरी नहीं है कि सबको clarity हो, but ठीक है, we try to work on the things and I hope कि लोग कुछ सीख के ही जाए फिर यहाँ से.
Hi, hello everyone. So today we have Humaira with us. She is the recruitment head at Zedital. Hi Humaira, how are you?
Hello, hi Tisha, thank you for introducing me. How are you?
I'm great. So starting with this podcast, Humaira, please introduce your role at Zedital. What do you do?
Okay, so hi people, my name is Humaira Afia. As introduced by Tisha, I'm currently serving as the recruitment head at Zedital Media Private Limited. As far as my role is concerned, I specifically recruit people and shortlisting the profiles and the talents that may come across our profile. So that is the thing that I basically do, and managing the people in the company, what are the requirements, and looking out for them and the people. And if they're facing any problems or anything, it just I look out for them and I try to sort out everything as far as the thing goes. So that is that about my role.
Okay. Great to know that. Moving forward to the next question. Humaira, what made you choose to work in careers or HR? Like, was it planned or did you just land into it?
Okay, on to be very honest, I actually landed in this position. So, but then soon I realized it is somewhere I resonate with the role, because it has all, because the field is more about understanding the people, and what motivates them, and somehow I like connecting with the people, and like what motivates them, how they work, what they're passionate about, and this particular role offers me, lets me do it, to do it every day. So somehow it was just the curiosity and somehow passion, and it just something I really enjoy doing. And also one more thing to add, it's the place where I actually can apply my legal knowledge as well, while drafting employment contracts or so. So something I can apply my legal knowledge at the same time. So this is something I like.
Okay. Great to hear that. And I think it's really nice if you do something you totally resonate with, because it helps you to stay interested in that field for a long time and do that work with passion. So I think that's great. Okay. So what's your favorite part about talking to new candidates?
Great part talking to a new candidate. Definitely about hearing their stories. As I said, I enjoy understanding. I enjoy connecting with the people more. It's actually definitely hearing their stories, because every person has a story to tell. And even while interviewing people, I actually see what actually drives them, how they came into this position, what motivated for this them for this particular field. Yet at the same time, since everyone has a story to tell, it's the experiences that makes us human, right? So somehow some people are nervous, some people are confident, and somehow people they just stumble into every question that I ask, and they get scared, they get intimidated. So somehow that thing is there as well. So it's about
Okay.
definitely their hearing their stories. Yeah, it's always fun.
Okay. I think you indirectly answered somewhere the next question which I had also, because my next question was about like when you're interviewing someone. So what's the first thing you notice about them?
Again, I said, even while hearing the stories, it's more about connecting. How can I connect that particular profile with the company? Because it's not just a fun thing that we are doing. We are actually running, a business over here. So it's more about I notice, I vividly notice their energy and their clarity, like how they are communicating, how they are presenting, and not only that, उनको like how much knowledge they have and how much passionate they are about their particular role. Because again, if people do not resonate with the work they are doing, वो कुछ कर ही नहीं पाएंगे, वो कर ही नहीं सकते हैं. Because again, as a we are a startup culture, right? देखा जाए तो even if 5 years in the loop, it just faced things we are trying to incorporate is the systematic thing and organizing things into the place. So we definitely need people who are actually who are actually leaders in that sense, who can who can take this particular platform into the next level. So it's just something I noticed is their clarity, that what clarity, I mean, yet at the same time there are sometimes what happens is that कि लोगों को clarity नहीं होती है. अब जरूरी नहीं है कि सबको clarity हो, but ठीक है, we try to work on the things and I hope कि लोग कुछ सीख के ही जाए फिर यहाँ से.
Right. Okay. So, like, as a recruitment head, of course, we all have our personal biases sometimes, right? Not in the sense that, you are recruiting, you're giving anybody an unfair advantage, but personal bias in the sense when you're talking to somebody. So, have you ever been in a situation, or if I want to ask that, what makes someone instantly likable or memorable in an interview, and if you have ever had any experience like that?
I would say, okay, likable memory. Okay, it's not like a likable memory I have, but rather I would say when they're being authentically themselves, because that is the very, very core thing that we try to, look out for. Again, the passion things comes in, the leadership qualities comes in. So that is that when people, they're authentically themselves. नहीं आता है या नहीं आता है, sugar coat करना आता है या नहीं आता है, it's all part of the process. आप करते करते तो सीख में honesty, आप उसमें कितना कितना honesty के साथ आप उसमें काम कर रहे हैं, that is the thing. आप उसको कितना transparent रख रहे हो अपनी चीजों को, even while communicating whatever things that have been there, even जैसे भी मतलब तो that is the thing कि भाई आप कितना honesty के साथ बात कर रहे हो कैसे. So that is yeah.
I think that's a very great way to make somebody or understand somebody, because I think being authentic has become very rare. So if a person has that quality, I think it tells a lot about that person and what kind of work will they be putting in, right?
Yeah, because mostly what I have seen as well, लोग आ जाते हैं but बस उनको मतलब वो एक honesty नहीं रहती, उनको पता है कि दूसरा वाला बंदा क्या सुनना चाहता है and वो काम भी नहीं हुआ, मतलब जैसे ऐसे रहता है, फिर that happens and वो कहीं ना process ही एकदम slow down कर देता है. That happens.
Okay. So my next question is, what's the funniest or most unexpected thing someone has ever done in an interview?
Okay, well, let me think about it. Funniest or unexpected thing? Okay. What once happened was, so we were interviewing this. I was interviewing this girl. तो बताया था कि ऐसे timings and everything, it was communicated. So somehow she joined, and just few minutes into the interview, like introduction वगैरह. Just few minutes into the interview, her mom, like in the background, she screamed at her and she was like, "What are you doing?" And I went silent. मैंने कहा मैं क्या बोला, as if मैं कुछ गलत करूँ, मैंने किसी से बात करके कुछ गलती कर दी. मैं चुप हो गई उस चीज में. And then she took a pause and मैं कही, "Ma'am, just 2 minutes. I understand." Then after a few minutes she came back, like, "I'm so sorry, ma'am." Then we both laughed over the same. So sometimes
yes,
that is the funniest thing that happened ever.
Given the work is mostly online, I think when you're having such meetings, it's really hard to explain your parents that sometimes. Not every time, but yeah, sometimes I think we all face certain situations. Okay. Moving forward to the next question. How do you decide if someone will match the vibe with the Zeditor team?
Okay, match the vibe. Okay. So this is something I discussed with the founder as well. You know, where I asked him in the very beginning. I was like, sir, like, how do you know this person can, be, that can adapt in our culture or adapt in our, in the company. He answered me this particular thing. He was like, just look out for just look out for if they are, adaptable enough, if they are, if there is a willingness to grow, to be more specific. He was like, if there's a willingness to grow, that they want to do this and they want to take this to, again, to the next level. So that is something I learned from him, and I'm telling you over here as well, is that the willingness to grow. And somehow, yeah, this is the very very specific thing. And as far as one more thing he said about the curiosity as well. If the people are curious enough, if the people have uh, curious enough to know more about the things,
Hmm.
because I feel like here in the ZDL, I feel like people are ready to help each other. I have always ready to help each other, and if the people is if the person is facing any problem, it's just the people are there out for each other. So that is that.
Yeah, yeah, agreed, agreed. Okay, so my next question is, if someone wants to get hired here in the Zedital team, so what's one simple tip you would give them?
Tip would be okay. Hmm, be prepared. Normally, what happens is that कि लोग आ जाते हैं, they just do not know कि कौन सी कंपनी है, कहाँ अप्लाई करा है, and
Oh,
उनको कॉल करते हैं तो they are like कि आप कहाँ से बात कर रहे हो. I mean, I just said कि I'm speaking from Zedital Media. They're like, okay, can you tell us more about the company? And specifically, this is on the call. Sometimes what happens, I'm interviewing the people. I'm like, you do you know about Zedital? Just to be confirmed about it. They're like, so actually, they're like, actually, I wanted to ask you about what Zedital do.
so
I mean, मेरा
like mostly
मतलब
there are people who don't even know for what they have applied.
yeah, that actually happens. Sometimes when I'm going through the mails, there are so many mails जहाँ पे subject line ही लिखा होता है. There is no subject line. There is no, body of the email. गायब है बस एक CV का एक, there's a PDF of the CV. There's no subject line. There's no body of the email. And कर लो, मतलब ये this is the CV. आप देख लीजिए जो आपको लगता है सही, जो हम fit पे. I'm like, bro, this is not how it happens.
Okay, okay. Great to hear such stories.
Yeah, I mean, I honestly reject those particular profiles जहाँ पे subject line ही mention होता है. I just hate it. तो मैं तो उसको एकदम blacklist कर देती हूँ फिर. So that happens.
Okay, okay. So my last question is, after talking to so many people all day, managing the human resource, fixing people's issues, problems, listening to so many people, in sabke baad, how do you unwind and relax? Because that's very important.
Okay, how do I? Okay, so okay, honestly, I do get tired, but at the end of the day, I just shut off myself and disconnect for a while, specifically from the devices. I hate devices at the end of the day, and I just take a walk or just spend time with my friends, or maybe I just watch movies, or watch some or binge watch some drama. So that's what I do. I mean, and then the next day, just all again, all over
Yes,
the
yes.
same.
Yes. And I
Yeah,
think it's a great way, especially getting rid of the devices and then hanging out with your
yeah,
people and taking a walk in nature, because I think it becomes very stressful, right? If you're constantly connected, because today everything happens through your phones and laptops, you're getting these constant notifications and everything, which becomes very, you cannot detach yourself from these things. So I think it's a great way. And again, with that, I think we come to the end of this podcast. And thank you so much, Humaira, for joining us today, because I think as a recruitment head, it is very difficult for you to, take out time from your busy
definitely,
schedule.
Tisha. Just one more thing I would like to add is that sometimes what happens is that since as you are in the role that, you have to manage people, you have to manage their expectations as well, and what they're delivering to us, and what we have to deliver them as well. So sometimes हो जाता है कि like, there are very sometimes what happens, there's miscommunication, and अब since as you have to be empathetic with the people, and with empathetic with the people, कि वो आपकी बात समझे, तो होता ये है कि कभी कभार ऐसे यू मतलब मेरे लिए हो जाता है कि मैं ना कभी कभार उस चीज को ना दिल पे ले लेती हूँ. It happens कि it becomes a bit difficult कि to manage the things, and कई बार गाली वाली भी पड़ जाती है, तो तो होता है. तो ये होता है, लोग सुना के चल जाते हैं कि आपने मेरे साथ ये करा, बट ऐसा होता नहीं, बिकॉज देयर आर सो मेनी थिंग्स दैट गोज ऑन इन द बैकग्राउंड.
Mm-hmm.
सो दैट
No,
इज इट.
I
बट
think
थैंक
it's
यू तुषा फॉर
under.
हैविंग मी.
No worries. Thank you so much for, sharing so many important things with us. And I think as a role that you are playing, the role which you are playing, I think it is very hard because sometimes you have to be very professional in all points of time, right? Even though, there is some sort of empathy and you feel bad, but again, work comes first. So you have to take things from that lens. So I think that's understandable what you said. And great, all the best for all the great work that you are doing, Umaira. And thank you so much for joining. And yes, have a good day.
Okay, thank you, Tisha. Thank you for having me. Bye bye.
Thank
You too
you.
have a great day.